capital is Bhubaneswar and whose current CM is Navin Patnaik. Now, next state we can consider, so that is Punjab. Right. Again, its capital is, as I said, being shared by the another state, and therefore it is the Chandigarh, which is currently being headed by the Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh. Captain Amrinder Singh. Right. So 22nd we can consider, no doubt, that is Rajasthan, and its capital is Jaipur. I think this is also called the Pink City of India, and currently its chief minister is Ashok Gehlot. Ashok Gehlot. Right. So next state we can consider, that is, in this particular case, the Sikkim. From after R, S, so yes is Sikkim. If you consider its capital, that is Gangtok, and its chief minister is P.S. Golai. Right? So it is Golai. Next state you can consider, that is obviously after yes, there is T. So in this T, first is considered Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu's, no doubt, the capital is Chennai. Sometimes people write it as Madras, again as like Bangalore and Bangalore. And its chief minister is Thiru in fact Idapadi, Thiru Idapadi Palaniswamy. Right. So you can consider the Palaniswamy, right? Or sometimes mostly it is written as T.E. Palaniswamy. Fine. So that is of the chief minister from Tamil Nadu. Now you can consider our neighbor, that is Telangana state, and Telangana is again sharing its capital with the Andhra Pradesh, but in fact its capital will be always Hyderabad. So Hyderabad, and it is being currently headed by K. Chandrasekhar Rao. K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Fine. Then you can consider the next state, that is the Tripura. Now you can consider here the one more state which is at the East India, Tripura, right? And if you consider its importance as far as one of the significant of the Tripura as one of the East India's states, right? So it is very important as far as if you consider the what I can say, the word for that. Okay. Anyway, I will tell you later on about it. So it is the capital. You can have Agartala, right? So I have a story for this one. Later on, I may share about this particular thing. Right. So Tripura, Agartala, and currently it is being headed by Biplav Kumar Dev. So it's Biplav Kumar Dev is the chief minister of this particular state. Now you can consider here 27th, right? So no doubt after T there should be U. So Uttar Pradesh, you can call it as UP, Uttar Pradesh. Now in this particular case, if you consider its state, its capital, then it is Lucknow. Lucknow, and currently being headed by Yogi Adityanath. Yogi Adityanath. Right. Now we can go for the second last state, I think, which is again starting its name from the U, and that is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand. No doubt we have seen so many different institutes. More than 3 institutes are being at this particular city, and its capital is Dehradun, and whose current chief minister is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Trivendra Singh Rawat. Trivendra Singh Rawat. And no doubt the last state, which is starting by W, called West Bengal, whose capital is Kolkata. And if you consider, the chief minister is Mrs. say Mamta Banerjee. Right. So Mamta Banerjee is the chief minister of the West Bengal. I think currently she is the alone lady chief minister in one of the states. Right? So this is about the different states as we concern. So I said 28 states, and here you can consider the number is 29, but we have considered J and K in this particular case. So at number 1 is our J and K. That is the reason why it has come as 29. In fact, it is 28. So always you have to remember 28 plus 8. Right. So I will show you some of the let's say slides, but for that I wanted you all to be unmute. Shinde sir.
Yes, sir.
Shinde sir, unmute kara.
Unmute all. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Done.
Sir. Sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I want, sir, Manipur and 17 number, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I haven't written, right?
Yes, sir.
Good one. That's fine. Fine. So it was intentionally. Anyway, I will share it with you. Right.
Yes,
so सर स्क्रीन शेअर करायला लागेल मला शेअर करायची स्क्रीन
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Done, sir.
हा एक मिनिट
Sir, Raghav.
so let's see again, don't write anything on screen. Fine. So let's go through this. Fine. So states in India and its capital. So no doubt now I will be showing you. So you just have a look on this particular map. So you can see here the states which are colored by different mapped by different color, right? So you can consider these things. Now I will be showing you one by one.
अरे
Fine.
वो
So
पापा
this is
सारे हम
only
लोग को मत लगाओ
for your this is only for your reference. As I said, don't write. Fine. So you can consider here the first one. So this is blank, right? So first case you can consider.
Sir, can you just that guy who is writing on screen?
कोणीही स्क्रीनवर लिहू नका.
This particular state. So in each and every slide, you can see a blank, and then next slide you will be having the answer. Right. So for Jammu and Kashmir, you can have the answer. So here you can consider Srinagar in summer and no doubt Jammu in the winter. Fine. So your answer is Srinagar. And let's say question can be asked intentionally, like whether they want to ask for Jammu, right? If you consider answer is Jammu, then they will be always putting the word winter in the question. Fine. So here you can have this particular. Now next one, Himachal Pradesh. Now I will be going from top to the bottom, right? So one by one. So near what is the nearest one? Fine. So Himachal Pradesh, its capital is going to come. So it is always Shimla. Fine. Then next state, Punjab. As I said, it is sharing its capital with another state, and it is Chandigarh. Fine. So you can consider this one. And next state, as we have gone through, is Haryana, right? So which is sharing its capital with the Punjab, and it is Chandigarh, right? So you can consider the next state is Uttarakhand. Now you can see the color and their map of that particular state, right? So Uttarakhand, whose capital is, आतापर्यंत कदाचित तुम्हाला आठवले असेल, it is Dehradun, right? So you can consider the next state is UP or Uttar Pradesh, whose capital is Lucknow, right? The next state we can consider nearby of UP, that is Bihar, whose capital is the Patna, right? So then next is the Jharkhand, next state which we have considered, Jharkhand. So its capital is no doubt Ranchi, right? So you can consider the state and its capital, Jharkhand. Now you will be considering Odisha. Now you are going down and down, and then up you will be coming up, and then at the last you are going for the states at eastern side of India. So Odisha. So it is having Bhubaneswar. Right? You can consider Bhubaneswar. Then next is Chhattisgarh, nearby the Bhubaneswar, nearby the Odisha, and the next state is Chhattisgarh. So this Chhattisgarh is having the capital as Raipur, right? As I said, you can write New Raipur. It is also accepted. Fine. So Raipur. Fine. So now this one is next Telangana. Right? You have to remember its particular capital. So it is Hyderabad, right? Telangana, Hyderabad. Next state, Andhra Pradesh, again Hyderabad, right? Then Tamil Nadu, fine. Tamil Nadu is having Chennai, then Kerala is having Tiruvananthapuram, right? Next state is obviously Karnataka is having Bangalore, or can write Bangalore. Next is Goa is having Panji. Then I think As, right? So I will not talk about this. And Yampi, fine. So this Yampi is having the Bhopal. Then next one is Gujarat, which is having Gandhinagar, right? Then Rajasthan. Rajasthan has to come now, and okay, Jaipur. Okay, something had happened. Now let's go towards the eastern states. As I said, so it is West Bengal having Kolkata, fine. Then next is, as I said, Sikkim, Gangtok, fine. The next one is, I think, Assam, Dispur, right? Then Arunachal Pradesh, sorry, Meghalaya. So for, I think, Meghalaya only I haven't written, right? So that was, no, I have, I think, written for Nagaland. So Meghalaya is having Shillong, right? Then next one is Arunachal Pradesh. No doubt it is Itanagar. Then next state is Nagaland, and I think this was the, I haven't written. Okay, now you can is there anyone who can write on the screen about the capital of this particular state? Anyone? Okay, someone else? Good. I think, okay, fine. So it is Kohima, right? So if you see, it is Kohima. Fine. I think that I have left blank. So next state is Manipur, whose capital is Imphal. Now the Mizoram having the Aizawl, and if you consider the, I think, last state, Tripura, which is having the Agartala, right? So now most important thing that we had left, that is about the capital of, no doubt, India, and that is New Delhi, called national capital. Fine. So if you consider this particular thing, right, as I said, which is showing you the, okay, anyway, I think now host has taken away from us that liberty, so that because I think everyone was trying to write something on it. Fine. Anyway, so there were different things. Okay, I will try one more time. Sir, एकदा share करा. I think ये एकच slide राहिली आहे शेवटी. So we will share it with the students. They like, otherwise we will be finishing out. Right. So I think in that particular side, I have further shown the complete map of India, and along with the states as well as union territories. And I think the seas around us, right? So you can consider the complete map. Right? And then there are 8 different names of your union territories. I think that you can take a screenshot or you can write it down, right? So I'll be not writing now on my notebook. So you yourself have to look for that particular thing, right? Since it is not a class in the classroom, otherwise I could have told you a very good story on this particular kind of thing, so that nobody could have dared to write anything on this particular screen, which is not uh, essential at all. Someone else will be always thinking not only about yourself but also others, right? In fact, your about your parents. So Andaman and Nicobar Islands having their capital at Port Blair. No doubt Chandigarh itself, although it is a capital of two different states, but itself is a union territory, which is at the who is having its own capital in the same city as the Chandigarh. Then third one you can consider Dadar and Nagar Haveli, which is nearby the Gujarat, right? And you can consider its capital is Silvassa. Fourth one you can consider Daman and Diu, which is having at Daman, again India's national capital. It is Delhi. Lakshadweep is having a capital known as Kavaratti, and no doubt Puducherry is having as Pondicherry. As I said, Jammu and Kashmir earlier. So last one is the Ladakh, and whose capital is the Leh. Fine. So these are the different union territories along with 28 states, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 you can consider here, right? So apart from Delhi, you can consider or completely you can consider 9 territories and 28 states. So you have to always remember these 28 plus 9 names. Every time one question have been asked on either of these things, right? So I think I should stop sharing this one. If you have any queries about this particular session, so you can ask. Fine.
Is sir Ansh have query?
Okay.
Ansh ask. Ansh ask.
Hello, sir.
Ah,
Sir, can you show us the last slide? I'm writing the 9 states name, that union territories name.
okay. How many you have written till now?
Sir, I till now written 5. I want 4 more. Last 4.
Last 4 you want.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can. Okay, can you tell me fifth one? Which one is fifth one?
5th one is Delhi, New Delhi.
Okay, you have written dually. Okay, next one I will tell you instead of showing that screen, because
Okay.
there are some other students who don't like that screen. I don't know what is problem with there.
Okay, sir.
Next one, that is Lakshadweep, or I will write it here so that you will be very easily writing it. Right. So it is Lakshadweep. I think someone has stopped my screen.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Okay, yes, now I got it. So you have written up to Delhi, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first one, second, third, fourth, and fifth. I think you have written fifth one. So now you want sixth one, fine?
Yes, sir.
So it is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep. Dweep, which is having the capital as Kauratti. So double TI, fine. Kauratti. Seventh one you can consider. It is Puducherry. Puducherry. And it is having its capital as Pondicherry. Very good place to see something. I think there is very good libraries there at the Pondicherry. Unique library can consider. No doubt, I will be writing again as J and K. You can write full name Jammu and Kashmir. So Srinagar, right? No doubt for summer. And for winter, it is always Jammu. And last one is Ladakh. So earlier there was only this state. Now that has been now split into J and K and Ladakh. So 2 union territories have been created. Right.
Thank you, sir.
So now you can see. Fine. Okay. Anything else?
No, sir. Thank you.
Always keep in mind, as I said, as the capital of that particular state, that is a different question. But because of this epidemic, there is great possibility that later on, I don't know after how many days your exam will be scheduling. So depending on that, right, till that particular day, who performs better and who performs excellent in this pandemic or COVID-19. So accordingly, the question can be asked on the corresponding chief minister or the health minister. That might be a possibility. Secondly, you have to always look up for complete Ministry of Maharashtra at least. I think previous or prior to that, maybe 2018. So in 2018, the question had been asked on, I think 2 questions had been asked on the ministries of Maharashtra. So you have to also look for ministry, complete ministers.
Hello, sir.
Okay, anything else?
Hello, sir.
Any other question? Huh.
Please tell me Andhra Pradesh CM, sir. Name.
YS Jagan Mohan Reddy.
Thank you, sir.
Is anyone
Okay,
have a
anything
doubt?
else?
Raise your hand. Raghav, speak.
So, can you tell me the CM's name of Tamil Nadu?
Which one?
Tamil Nadu.
Palaniswamy. T.E. Palaniswamy.
So,
I
can
think I have
you
written
tell the
Thiru.
spelling?
Okay, I will show you. Palaniswamy. Thiru Idapaddi Palaniswamy. Yes. Thiru Idapaddi Palaniswamy.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, next.
Siddharth, ask. Siddharth, ask.
Hello,
Siddharth.
sir. Sir, can you repeat the names of union territories? Means first 5.
First
5.
5. Okay, you can write first Andaman Nicobar.
Sir,
Yeah, second.
We have the
Okay, you will write Andaman Nicobar. Second is Chandigarh.
Sir, we have 6 minutes left.
Third.
Right. How much?
6 minutes, sir.
Third.
Okay, fine. So Chandigarh. Third one is Dadar and Nagar Haveli.
Fourth.
Dadar, which
Okay.
is which is having Silvassa.
Yeah.
Fourth one is obviously Daman and Diu.
Okay. That one was remaining, sir.
And, yes, and last one, fifth one is obviously Delhi.
Delhi.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay. Daman and Diu. Okay, any question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ask.
Sir, what are the tricks to buy at these names?
Uh, okay, that is a very tricky one, but I will tell you, every time you have to have a map, right? So
Okay.
you yourself can map. Okay, I will tell you what I had done. Okay, so last year, while learning, or this is the way by which I could memorize most of the states. Now you can see, so I couldn't make it properly, but whenever I see this page, I look that yes, now I could draw the map of India, and accordingly
Yes,
now
yes.
I can remember the states of states along with their capitals. Right. So this
Okay,
is
sir.
one of the ways. So this with this I had gone. So you yourself can again use this
Yes,
kind
sir.
of
I will
thing.
try this trick.
Okay. Yes.
Thanks, sir.
Fine. Okay. Something else. Okay. Finished. Then I think we should leave this particular meeting. सर जर कोणाला तर क्वेश्चन्स नसतील तर मला वाटतं ठीक आहे.
म्हटलं ऋषिकेश सर ह्याच्यानंतर कुठलं सेशन होणार आहे?
शिंदे सर.
सर
सर.
सर काय म्हणता? हॅलो.
ओके. आय थिंक आता संपले क्वेश्चन.
ठीक आहे.
हा तर ही
चालेल.
मीटिंग संपवायला काही हरकत नाही.
येस सर, येस सर, येस सर.
ओके.
थँक्यू सर.
फाईन. ओके.
हॅलो.
हो सर, हो चालेल.
व्हिडिओ बंद आहे का? किती पोरं असतात माहितीये का तुला? नाही का ते सर.
Now we will meet tomorrow at 10:30. Try to join the group from 10:30. Try to join the group at 10:30 from tomorrow. We will start from 11 o'clock morning. Bye.
हम्म.
Yes, Aditya. Have you any query? You raise your hand.